Nah, you totally missed that one. What is this? White?
Come!
That's the moon, y'all.
Did we seriously complete the game?
If we complete the game, I'm gonna be highly upset.
No, well, how many colors have y'all got so far?
We've gotten
green,
red, and blue.
Yeah,
damn it, we completed the game.
Don't tell me we completed the game. That sucks.
No, that wouldn't even make sense.
Green, red, blue,
Nigga.
and
Yellow. Okay, we got yellow.
There is no yellow here. What are you talking about?
I mean, there's a little yellow right here and at the top.
That's it.
That's because you're still in a mostly blue zone. Idiot, you haven't moved.
We gotta go up.
She's about to sing, gang.
We gotta fall apart. Oh, is this the bird?
They done got her ass.
What's that?
The cum ball. Amazing world of cum ball.
Oh yeah, it's the bird again.
That bird been on my dick the entire game.
Oh my gosh, man. Go somewhere, bird. Oh, outrun the bird. Don't you got a double boost?
Nigga, I'm not even playing.
Oh, you're not playing?
Oh, I am playing. Get away from me, you black bastard.
Double boost, double boost.
Ah! Yeah, now I think about it. Would y'all rather, Black Canary or Martian Manhunter?
Black Martian Manhunter. What is Martian Manhunter?
If only this nigga knew.
Oh! Is that the green dude?
If only you knew what Martian Manhunter
I knew
could
who
do.
Martian Manhunter is, bro.
You know what he could do, though?
I know what he can do.
What can he do?
He can transform. Like,
Yeah, he's a shapeshifter. He can be whatever you want him to be.
But isn't that, well, then does the rules still apply?
What?
They're like the gay rules or bullshit or whatever.
No, it's literally a Martian Manhunter, bro.
Okay.
It's
Cool. It's from fucking Mars, man. Like, it's just depends if you're gonna fucking Martian or not. Like,
a whole bunch of tiny little dildos are trying to catch me, bro.
Dildos, bro? Spurred. Come on now.
Yo, it's crazy to think about, like, out of billions of, like, nuts, bro, we won the race.
I wish I had it, but you know.
Of course you wish you had, you depressed ass nigga. You
bro,
said, I hate depressed people. Well,
Bro.
look at you.
I hate depressed people because they get depressed. They're like, oh, I want to kill myself. Bitch, suck it up. Go do some push-ups. I want to hear about your problems. One dude, I had a friend. He called me in the morning. He said, oh, I'm thinking about killing myself. I hung up, bro. I don't have time to be dealing with your problems. Get out of my face.
Yo, this nigga has a body. Josh has a body already. No.
I don't care,
he called me in the morning. He said, I'm really suicidal, man.
Wait, hold on. What time in the morning did he
Man,
call
it was
you?
like 3, 2 in the morning.
I
don't even care.
When's the last time you saw him?
I saw him the next morning. I'm like, bro, don't call me if you're not gonna commit. Don't call me with that mess, bro.
If you're not calling me, leaving your note, I don't want to fucking hear it.
Jesus, bro.
If you call me, if I don't hear the gunshot, I don't want to hear shit.
Man, if I ain't the last person you call and don't hear the boom, don't ever call me.
It's crazy. I was the last nigga that AJ saw before he left, bro.
Oh,
he didn't come see you?
Nah. I mean, I think I was dizzy doing something. I was at a party or something.
I'm telling you now, Josh, you were not in no party. You get no hoes, you get no money, you get no bitches. That's for sure.
Damn, Joshua defend. Well, you could agree on.
I accept the fact that I get no hoes, bro. I've accepted the fact I'm probably gonna die alone with 2 cats. Actually, I want 3 cats. 2. No, my goal is to have a cat, a duck, and a puppy.
You know girls always say never trust a dude with a cat.
Why? Come on, man.
You know why?
Because they get a bunch of pussy. I don't know.
Get out.
Hey, I get this your house and all, but you gotta leave after that bullshit.
Hey.
I don't know why. What?
Kaden, we recording at your house next, bro. Bro, get off my meat, bruh.
You know, he gobbling your shit, man.
Josh, can you do me like that?
Gobble you? No. Not for free. Come on now. Not for free.
What is he talking about?
Nothing is free in this world, bro. Especially that.
Nigga, you
I'm
disgusting.
gonna stop.
Yeah, shut up, bro.
Bro, move faster. You gotta get eaten.
Nigga, shut the fuck up. That's what your bitch be saying. she was saying, nah, I can't say that. I can't do you like that, Josh. Joshy poo.
It's epic
Josh
music
is
for this one eel who just
J
won't
Money.
go away.
Actually, it's really like her consciousness.
Dude, just swallow. Oh my god.
Yes!
You failed. You failed. You suck at your job, man.
Get off my dick.
Not you. I'm talking about the eel. Oh my gosh. What are we doing now? I haven't seen a thing of yellow at all, bro.
Yeah, there is yellow. It's just see, look at the sides. So it makes it yellow and blue though. Don't tell me this is another puzzle, bro.
Are we still in there, bro?
Puzzle.
Let's go.
Bro, I'm over here trying to get out this water, bro. I feel like the slaves in the Mayflower, nigga. Them niggas could not swim. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, Josh,
Hey, we're back here.
Josh, we're never making money. We're never making money.
It
After
is
a
what
joke,
it is.
after a joke like that, we're never making a single dollar.
Where are we now?
No, a puzzle, bruh.
No, they gotta keep our puzzle brains entertained somehow. I gotta post these videos. But I gotta listen to them so I can get talking.
I know for a fact, like, they can't even hear you because you're just...
Over here? No, they can hear me.
Yeah, you're
Pick me
thugging
up on the
and
mic.
I wish you weren't picking up on the mic inward.
Listen, I understand.
But hate your kind? Yeah, you should. When are we doing our carpool, bro?
What? To share. This nigga said he don't want to go.
Josh,
I mean,
you're
I
coming.
have to see, because, like, my parents are like, oh, they don't got a driver's license.
He has a driver's license.
Well,
Exactly.
Yo, that's
you're
crazy.
You're not supposed to be driving other people. Not like when you're doesn't matter if you're learners or whatever. You're not supposed to drive other people until you're like 18.
No, 6. Well, you can drive, but you can only have 2 people.
But no, but even then, it's only supposed to be like aren't they supposed to be like an adult
Nah,
or
it's 2
part of your
people.
family? Oh, okay.
Let's go.
Oh, I think it's 2 people under the age of 16.
Let's just say we're 15 then. It's not hard. What are the cops gonna do? Pull you over, shoot you? Oh, never mind. Now I think about it. You know, since you're one of those things, yeah, your ass is grass, buddy.
Poor white people.
I love white people.
White people are cool. Can't stand those people who hate white people.
I love white women.
What's your opinion on white women, Caiden? You as a white woman hater over there.
Caiden just hates white women for no reason.
Not for some reason. It's not my type.
Oh yeah, they my type. I growled for a reason, buddy. They're my type. Don't look at me like that. Over here looking at me like you want something.
Bruh, I want nothing.
What are you trying to say here, Josh? You cool?
Yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna just name it whatever.
I don't think that's a good thing, buddy.
I'm bored out of my mind. Alright, I'm bored. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna search up topics. I am bored.
What do you mean search of topics, bro? We can just talk about whatever.
And yet, you guys don't talk. So,
What do you mean? We just chilling, really.
chilling.
Yeah.
Man, ain't nobody wanna listen to silence and us chilling, bro. Come on now.
I mean, like, hey, bro, put on some music, bro.
Let's go back to our little music. Literally, I can't see with all this blackness, bruh.
Well, you use the light.
I literally can't get back up. See, look.
Yeah, you did it to yourself, man. AP physical course to the sleep.
I got it. One punch felt something.
A pity for your thoughts, Caiden.
You have some controversial thoughts for my topic? Josh.
Oh.
Why are you looking at me?
Oh, you calling names, so I was like, oh.
Yeah, I'm mocking you, monkey.
Well, you gotta be mocked. You know, there's a mock. I don't know.
Yo, don't mock. Just get off the cock. You know, go. Wait, is this recording?
Huh?
Are we recording?
Yeah, we're still recording.
Shit.
Not anymore. Bye. Yep.